Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. All right, so we start off our first must-watch hair transformation. She's got some dark roots here, grown out color. Oh, so she went with like this really pretty copper ombre. A nice little shoulder length lob cut. So cute. And then next up we have a hairstyle inspired by a cat. So this should be really interesting. Now this is probably for like some type of hair show or something, I imagine. Whoa! Wow, she gave it, whoa! This is so creative. Oh my goodness. So cool. So next up we have a hair color change. She also goes with like this really pretty reddish brown copper. It's almost like a deep chestnut reddish brown hue. Very pretty. She's got the bangs going there, the bottleneck style bangs to frame out the face. And then, of course, we have Blonde, It Girl hair color for this season. Stylist cut some layers here. Restyling. So it looks like she's just kind of trimming the ends. Ooh. Oh, this is beautiful too. I love the way that the color is done. Kind of like an ombre effect as well. Darker roots leading into more of a ginger color bangs. Would you guys wear this hair color? It's very unique. Look at that. We get a nice 360 view. It kind of showcases that undercolor trend now that we are seeing the 360 view. And we have someone with shoulder length hair. Wow. Oh, I love the way that this came out. She has so much volume, so much fullness. The curls look amazing. The color looks great. And the hair just has this beautiful, effortless look to it. So pretty. So demure, so stylish. So moving on to the next one. This hairstylist is working in heels. Like, I completely commend her. That's probably why she's sitting down, because her feet are probably hurting. All right, so here she is doing some color. Can you imagine coloring someone's hair wearing heels? Like, I just cannot. Hair coloring takes a really long time too. Oh. So she went platinum blonde for that one. And here she is again, working it in another cute outfit with heels, doing more color. The outfit is super cute too. Oh, looks like she's doing, oh, wow, look at the dimension here. Oh, this is so gorgeous. She has super long waistline hair too. Oh, I love it. So here is that same stylist, once again, working a cute, super cute outfit with the heels, doing more color. client's hair is absolutely beautiful. Look how long and luscious. Oh, ash blonde with the dark roots. Very cute. All right, so we hop on over to another color transformation. Looks like she might be getting a touch up here. Refresh. Wow, that is a lot of foil. I always say that, like, it just amazes me how much foil is being used. And with this particular stylist, you think you know what color he's gonna do, and then it ends up looking completely different in the end. So I'm not even gonna take a guess at what color he's doing here. So there is the before and there is the after. Okay, so she did get like a touch up of that blonde. Beautiful. So here we have someone. Now she also looks like she has a bit of that copper color going on. Hair is obviously kind of grown out and the color is kind of faded. So let's see if she gets a touch up here. Or she might end up going with a different color altogether. You never know. So there is the foil. She might be getting some blonde streaks here. Well, I definitely think she's sticking with that copper now that we saw those boxes of the color. But like I said, you never know with this stylist. Like sometimes you think you know what color he's gonna do and then it ends up completely different. So there's the before. Whoa, okay, this is, wow, she went with like an intense, beautiful red shade. Wow, gorgeous layered bangs, so pretty. This is absolutely breathtaking. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hair ideas that you can try out this fall season. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.